Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to learn how to write a report on Republic Day celebration in your school. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. In the first line, you have to write the title or the heading of your report. For example, here I am writing 73rd Republic Day celebrated at public school. Next, towards the left hand side corner, you have to write the location and the date. Here, for example, I am writing New Delhi, 27th January 2023. Next, you have to write the name of the person by whom the report is being prepared. Here, for example, I am writing by Deepak Roy. Next, you have to start with the body of the report. Here, for example, I am writing Public School, New Delhi commemorated the 73rd Republic Day yesterday in a befitting manner. The celebration took place with zeal and patriotism. Students delivered handmade greeting cards and tricolor flag badges to the invited guests before the morning assembly. The program began with everyone chanting Vande Mataram, followed by the chief guest, Mrs. Damini Mehta, the Vice Chancellor raising the flag, the national flag was hoisted by the chief guest, followed by the national anthem. The cultural program commenced with the welcome song Mera Mulk Mera Desh, rendered by the school choir. Following the welcome address of the principal sir, the chief guest, Mrs. Damini Mehta, in her address to the gathering, delved into the history of Indian struggle for democracy and how everyone must strive to preserve its sovereignty. A handful of them spoke about the history and significance of Republic Day. As well as the national issues of the country. The program ended with the vote of thanks by the Vice Principal Sir.